Welcome to Cypress AI. I'm sure you have a response you want to get started with, so let's select the RFP demo organization and start by uploading some files from our knowledge base. The resume and bios folder that I want to upload has about 450 files in it, but most of them are older versions. I'm going to have Cypress AI help me by describing the files that I want to keep and letting it do all the heavy lifting. But if I disagree with any of the choices, I can manually override them. For the sake of time, I've already uploaded these files, so let's jump into the response manager and create a new project. I want to work on an RFP for creating an AI chatbot. Let's just make sure that's the right one. Yep, that's it. Project initialization takes about 20 seconds, so let's dive into one that's already finished. In the project info tab, you can see the standardized information we've extracted, like a summary of the RFP, which helps the BD team decide if they want to continue with the response or not. Assuming that we do, the next step would be choosing our team members and our relevant experience. Now, I've already filled these out, but as you can see, I needed help from our chatbot to find relevant past experience. It mentioned a project called Middle Ground, which I hadn't heard of, so I used our proprietary sentence-level referencing system to quickly review this project summary on Middle Ground from a past response. Everything checked out, so I closed the tabs and opened the response sections. I went to add a new section manually, but I was feeling lazy, so I decided to auto-generate them. I could have given custom instructions for generating this outline, but this RFP didn't require a specific response format, so I decided to use my standard company template. A lot of these response sections need to be created for every RFP, so for these repetitive tasks, we've created specialized agents to generate the first draft. After assigning the corresponding agents to each response section, I ran them all. Our agents do an excellent job of getting you a first draft, and our customers have won responses where they submitted outputs from these agents that were completely unedited. However, we noticed that a lot of the time the agents get you 90% of the way there, but you still need to make some edits to get the last 10%. But don't worry, we can help with that. Let's use the team composition section as an example. Jasper's bio currently lists him as the co-founder of Cypress AI, but it's missing information about his ability to develop custom vector databases. In the chat, I tag our knowledge base to see if we can get more details about Jasper's expertise in this area. I then try tagging Jasper's resume directly to see if we get more information that we like. I'm pleased with the information that we got from the knowledge base search, and I now want to incorporate that into Jasper's bio. Cypress gives me 3 suggested edits with deletions in red and additions in green. I like all the suggestions, so I hover over the apply button to see which sentence will be replaced in my editor and click to accept the suggestion. It's really that easy. Now we're all done editing this RFP. Let's return to the response sections and run the final executive summary agent. Finally, let's export all of our work as a nicely formatted docs file and upload it to Google Drive. And here's our final result. Content that used to take days or weeks to create is now generated at or above original quality in a matter of minutes.